This is the opportunity for me to invite my wonderful buddy from Bangalore, Usha, who's also been the main reason how and why the Bangalore Buddies are functioning with her help. And she's going to talk about this in her own words. Welcome, Usha. Thank you so much for finding
Thank
the
you.
time. I know as a
Thank you.
teacher and with a system, with the sessions going on, it is very tough. Thank you for finding the time for this. Give me a small little bit of our introduction to our audience who have joined us just now about how you became associated with Save Scrap and Sue.
Hi everyone, this is Usha from Bangalore, Save Scrap and Sew, Bangalore branch,
But
I can call it.
yeah, thank you. Little louder,
So,
Usha, just a little louder,
yeah.
please.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you
Yeah.
loud and clear. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. I know Geeta Di before Save Scrap and Sew.
Thank you. That's me. Okay.
And so I happened to see the feature in the Hindu. That was how I noticed it. I read the feature, and the picture of you, Di, was, I just screamed out your name when I saw that. Then I wanted to make sure, and I got in touch with the mail ID, and I got in touch with Sita, and that's how I ventured into it. I was completely startled at the new kind of um, what do I say, social responsibility taken up, that we don't allow even tailors to make use of the landfills. That was something new, very unique, and that unique idea lured me towards taking this up. There are quite a few friends of mine who live in my apartment, who are uh, very good designers by themselves, and who actually find some time to for some good work. And they've been telling me this whenever we meet up for some festivals or some get together. So I brought up this idea 2019 January to them. I spoke to them about it. Again, it was a small group, about 6 to 7 of us. I spoke to them, and all 7 of them pounced on that idea. And we went ahead, and they said we should not. I kept saying that, okay, we'll start maybe in April. And they told me that no, it's a good work, and no good work will have any auspicious day. You just jump into it and we'll start work. So we started off in
Right.
February, and there's no looking back after that. And the amount of work that we have done, although sometimes it was slow, sometimes used to speed up, but they have individually contributed. All the team members from Bangalore have individually been doing work if they were not able to sit together and do it. Right now in the lockdown period, also work is going on. There is a
Right.
lull, but then individually they're doing it. So
Great. So what I'm going to do, Usha, is I'm going to
yeah.
share some of the pictures of the work which has been done by our Bangalore buddies. And
Yeah.
we are hoping that some of them will join us live online here. In the
Right.
meantime, I have Nisha here saying hello to us. She's a buddy from Dubai who has also helped us set up in Goregaon in Mumbai. We have Geeta Rani here saying hello to us from Mumbai, and she's a part of our Goregaon group. We have Srini here once again saying hello to us and asking us which apartment complex. We are not telling you that on FB Live, Srini, but definitely we will take care that we mention this to you, and we will keep you updated on this later. We have Sheila again here from Dubai saying hello to us. Hello, Sheila. Okay. Let me go back to sharing quickly my screen with you on the pictures, and let us talk about Usha, could you
Yeah.
just give me a second? Yes, please.
Yeah, sure.
Technology always challenges you just when you think you know everything. Okay. Could you just give a
Yeah.
very small brief about this picture, because we're going to talk more about this in detail more towards the end of our conversation
Right.
today. Quickly, just a small
This
brief,
is
please. I know this is
the
a lockdown period.
this
Your
is
mask
yeah.
stays on. Yes, please.
This is handing over the products that we made after November to Global Shapers Bangalore unit, who are into helping. It's a small NGO which is connected to the World Economic Forum, and they had approached me through a common friend of us, and I had given the product. They were most willing to take it up, and they were quite amazed at the work that was being done. And the
Good.
entire lot, right from November, what we made, they have taken it up to be distributed to the guest workers who are leaving from Bangalore to their hometowns.
That's so nice, and it's so heartening to know. And yes, actually, people are always amazed with the work which is done. And I believe that because this work is done out of love, that is why it always looks the best. And there is no designing. In fact, people who think that we think over how to design, what to do, there is hardly any time and opportunity, because there will never be a zero scrap day. So we will always have to continue fighting this. And we hope that one day we will reach where we save our own scrap. Let's move on now. This is what the scrap looks like before it actually becomes into something. And we have here a buddy. Usha, you are here. And
Yeah.
would you like to name the
This
buddy
is-
who's here?
Yeah,
on the other
she is Kameshwari, and
Okay.
she helps us out sorting out as well as stitching.
Okay,
She's
so
unable
we
to
use
join
our
us
personal
today.
machines here. Whose machine is this, Usha?
This is, I mean, there are two of them who give. One is Uma's machine,
Okay,
and the other is by name Nidhi. She is also
great.
not
Thank
there.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being buddies and for sharing your resources which you have. Thank you so much for that. This is again teamwork, which shows that the sheets, the bags which have been made here. And would you like to name these buddies?
One is Bhavna on the sewing machine,
Okay.
and the other I'm not able to see clearly.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, that is Vanmati. Vanmati.
Bhanumati. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Vanmati. Yeah.